Okay. I can go ahead and read the first question.
Okay.
So this is from the math self-efficiency, but it says, given the linear regression equation y equals 2.0 plus 1.5x, what is the y-intercept? And I put 2.
Yeah.
Okay. Want me to do the next one?
Sure.
Given the linear regression equation, y equals 2.0 plus 1.5x, what is the slope? And I said 1.5.
Yep. And then the next one, given the linear regression equation, y equals -3 plus 0.25x, what is the predicted value of y when x is 16? And I said 1.
That's what I got to.
Yep, that's what I have. Okay. And then this one's for the next 7 questions. Make a scatter plot of the math self-efficiency data of the 3 data shapes introduced in the reading. Which shape best describes this data? And I put hot dog.
This was really hard for me to figure out. I couldn't decide between hot dog or banana. And I saw like a couple of the points kind of went off to the side, almost like a peeled banana, but I wasn't sure.
I think the banana is if it's like really curved.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
So
that makes sense. I just really, I have no idea.
Yeah, if it's really curved, then you can say it's a banana. And plus, we know that it's a hot dog because they want us to use the linear regression for the rest of it, and it wouldn't work for the rest of it. So.
Oh, that's a good point. I don't remember talking about that in the reading, but maybe I missed that.
Yeah. So with the banana shape, it says you need to contact some other statistical smart people and.
Oh, okay.
Don't worry about it in this class. So
I must have missed that in the reading. All right, that makes sense.
Okay, number 7, based on the shape of the scatter plot you produced in the last question, what can you say about the appropriateness of using simple linear regression to model these data? Simple linear regression is appropriate for these data.
Yep.
Since we're going to go ahead and use it for the next several questions.
Yeah. All right, how many observations are in the data? I assumed that they meant how many different plots. Like I counted 139, like there are 139.
That's what I got.
Okay.
I was trying to figure out if that's what they were asking, but
I assume that's what they meant, so I don't know.
Is that what you got, Savannah?
Yeah, I have 139.
Okay. I thought that's what they were after.
Let's see. What is the y-intercept? And I have 18.69.
Yes, that's what I got.
That's what I got. What is the slope? 12.695.
That's what I got. Okay, what is the predicted value of y when x equals 4? I got 69.469.
That's what I got.
$69.469.
Yeah.
Okay, let's see the next question. The confidence data resulted from the study's valuing the confidence for each question on a scale of 1 to 6. What is the maximum prediction value of y? These values of x. I have 94.859.
That's what I put.
That's what I put too. Okay, how many explanatory independent variables are present in a simple linear regression? I said 1.
Yeah. Then the next one, how many dependent variables are present? I said 1.
Okay.
Okay, so a company in South Dakota manufactures hard hats used in the mining industry. They record measurements on all the hats they produce for quality control and planning purposes. The measurements they collect includes hat size, circumference of the hat, and the lengths of the major minor axes, meaning the company wants to predict size of the hat given the circumference. What is the response variable, and if I have this right, I picked the last ones. Last one, the circumference, because it's being used to predict the size of the hat. Or is it the circumference because it is the variable being predicted?
Let me read that again, because I picked the size of the hat, but I did that a little while ago.
You
The
click
company wants to predict the size of the hat given the circumference. And I thought it was the hat because that's what they're predicting.
Oh, the size of the hat because it's being used to predict the circumference.
Well, I just said the size of the hat because it is the variable being predicted.
Yeah, because it says given the circumference, we want to predict the size of the hat. So that is the size. So the top one.
That's what I thought.
Yeah, let's go with that.
Okay. Okay, I'll submit. See
Okay.
how good you guys want to hang on. Okay, we got all of them.
All right, great. So then for this week's part of the project, Taylor was doing that, right?
Yeah.
Yes.
And then do we each need to submit one, right?
No, this week it's just him.
It's just him, yeah.
Okay.
That was the only, last week was the only time that we all had to submit because we were all doing the data collection.
Oh, okay.
And then
but I do have a question next week because Corey and I are doing it together. Do we each submit our, like, how does that work? Because we're both writing it, but it's on the same form.
So maybe we just each do our part and only one of us submits?
I don't think it would hurt if you work together and like combine the information
We
and
both
then
just
you submitted. Yeah.
Yeah.
Because then you're covering your bases. So
Okay, that makes sense.
even if you're just submitting the exact same thing, which you should be,
Yeah,
but
we should be, yeah. Yeah, we'll do that.
Yeah.
We'll each do our part and combine them and then submit. That sound good?
That sounds good.
All right. And then have you guys looked at the PowerPoint yet? I haven't done it yet. Looked at all.
I haven't.
Maybe we ought to do that. So we're not going camping. So I will be available on Monday.
Oh, okay.
Okay. So the only one that won't be here
is Taylor. So do one of you want to initiate this again?
I can do it next week.
Okay. Now that you are you're experienced and
I'm a pro at it.
Sweet. Yeah, I'm too old for it. My brain doesn't work that way anymore, so or never did. I passed that age. Should we each take a look at our at that PowerPoint thing and kind of talk about it next week?
Okay. Yeah.
So it's got to be coming up pretty soon here. Let's see, when is it that due?
Yeah. It's due, isn't it due the, is it due the 8th? Because it's due the last week.
Yeah, April 7th.
7th?
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, so the last day.
All right. So yeah, we'll look through it and then discuss it next week when we meet.
All right.
Yep.
Was that all we were talking about today? We had said we were going to talk about something today, and I can't remember. Was that it?
I think that was it.
I think that's it. I think it. Yeah.
Yeah. Unless we're going to talk about Taylor's part of the project, but he's not here, so hopefully he'll get it done.
Yeah. All right.
Well, I talk to you guys on Monday. Enjoy your weekend.
All right. Sounds good.
Thank you.
Thanks, guys. And thanks, Savannah. All right.
Yeah.
Bye.